myself Agastya. Let us explain what do plants need. This is a plant. Plant without sunlight may die. This is a plant. This is a plant without soil may die. The plant without air will not grow well. Plant without sunlight may die. This is the healthy plant which get air, water, soil, sunlight. So it is healthy. Hence it is plant which get air, water, soil, sunlight.